My name is Alicia Salaz. I am the Vice Provost and University Librarian at the University of Oregon. Our student employees help make the UO Libraries an amazing place to study, learn, and conduct research. Every year, we employ more than 150 student employees across our 7 branch libraries, and that makes us one of the top destinations for student employment on campus. Student employment opportunities aren't just convenient, they're crucial for many students to finance their educations. But student employment is also more than just a paycheck. Every dollar that goes into student employment in the libraries returns 3 major benefits. One is, this is money that goes directly into the pockets of those student employees to help fund the cost of their studies. Secondly, these students are working in jobs that help them develop valuable career skills for after they graduate. These are real jobs and roles doing real work that aligns with their majors and course of study, everything from book and paper conservation to web design to technical support. And those skills are ones that students can take with them when they leave the UO. Third, the work that student employees do in the libraries delivers library services and resources to every other student and staff member and faculty member on campus. This is some of the most valuable work and investment anywhere on campus. Your generous support during Ducks Give this year makes a huge difference in enabling us to continue to create these meaningful opportunities for students to continue building their resumes and delivering important services to the campus community. We literally couldn't do it without them or you. Thanks as always for your support, and Go Ducks!